puno ng pagsubok. Ngunit, hindi tayo sumuko. Ngayon, nandito tayo, magkasama sa tagumpay na nagsilbi patuloy ng ating lakas, tapang at determinasyon. Assalamualaikum at magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. To our ever-respected and honorable Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Boy Rohana M. Sinsuan, to our Chief Education Supervisor, Sir Benjamin M. Rohan, to our Education Program Supervisor, Dr. Ali Bimilon, to our Division Private Schools Coordinator, Sir Renato D. Venturosa, to our humble Schools President, Sheikh Muhammad Ali Ibn Julin, our beautiful, active, and hardworking School Principal, Ma'am Adela Ibn Julin, Ma'am LPT, our equally dedicated Assistant Principal, Sir Zainuddin K. Hassan, our very handsome and charismatic guest speaker, Sir Salih S. Zampala, Register Social Work, our barangay captain, Ma'am Lily Ayunan Pasawiran, dedicated faculty and staff, supporting parents and guardians, dear friends, and most importantly, my fellow graduates. Warm greetings to all of you. Before anything else, Alhamdulillah, and every struggle, all praise belongs to Allah. He is the one who gave me strength when I didn't know I had any left. He is the reason I made it through the life and almost gave up. I stand here today with quiet pride and joy, but Alhamdulillah, after all the sleepless nights, silent tears, and sacrifices, it's finally paid off. This moment isn't just about medals or award. It's all about the struggles that shape us and the faith that carry us. Now, if there's one thing I've learned throughout this journey is that we didn't get here alone. We had the support of so many people who made this experience more than just about exams or deadlines. People who made school